The ongoing legal battle between the father of Kyron Horman and Kyron's stepmother Terri Horman continues today in civil court. Attorneys representing Terri Horman say she was not the last person to see Kyron alive the day he disappeared. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at noon. I'm Ken Body. Jessica Morkert is live at Multnomah County Courthouse with more on what happened today. Jessica?
And Ken, today attorneys representing Terri Horman argued that they have a right to see the investigatory files that accuse Terri Horman of criminal acts and to question the lead detective that is on this case. Now, nearly a half a dozen attorneys and investigators connected to the Kyron Horman case appeared in Judge Henry Cantor's courtroom this morning. Stephen Howes, who represents Terri Horman, argued that the state is seeking to prevent Terri Horman's daughter, Kyron, from having contact with her mother, who is not charged with a crime. Howes also said today that Terri Horman was not the last person to see Kyron alive on June 4, 2010, the day he disappeared from Skyline Elementary, and that witnesses could prove that. But prosecuting attorneys argued the files are still part of the ongoing criminal investigation, and it doesn't serve the interest of society or this case to open them, and that the criminal documents, or the criminal file, are all relevant to the custody and divorce case. Kaine Horman's attorney, Brett Engel, said today that the statements made in court are for show.
We've just sat here and listened to an hour and a half of grandstanding and rhetoric regarding this woman's innocence and how she's been subjected to violation of a process which just ignores what ought to happen here. This is a discovery hearing.
I am one of 3 attorneys working on behalf of Terri Horman, a person who has been denied these fundamental rights now for 3 years by these tactics. And I am proud to stand as one of the team members of lawyers working in this divorce case. This is frankly why we went to law school and became lawyers, to seek the protection and vindication of the rights of clients.
Now, the judge said today that he will make his decision about what's next in this case on Monday, and there has been a request to have a private proceeding which would exclude the public and exclude the media. Kaine Horman did speak to the media after the hearing, and he said that today seemed to be more about proving Terri Horman's innocence as opposed to doing what's right for his daughter. We'll have much more on what exactly happened today in court coming up on KOIN 6 News at 4 o'clock. But for now, we'll send it back to you live in downtown Portland. Jessica Morkert, KOIN 6 News.
Thank you, Jessica. And we will have continuing coverage on the Horman divorce proceedings coming up at 4, as Jessica said. We also have information on KOIN.com, Facebook, and Twitter.